Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast for the final exam for English. Today, we're gonna talk about the topic of the Microsoft Windows OS. First of all, we gonna introduce our team. First, my name is Usmanul Febriansyah.
And my name is Devan Aditya.
My name is Jatmiko.
And my name Yoga Kurniawan.
My name is Fahri Sotia.
Okay, we're gonna talk about why is Windows still widely used today, and is Windows always the best operating system for the user? From the quoting from Stats Counter Global Statistics, it was found that Windows ranked first in the term of the number of the user OS user, with a percentage of 80.95%. That make Windows is the most widely used user for the OS in the PC. In this podcast, we will talk about the history, features, advantage and disadvantage of the Microsoft Windows. First, we're gonna talk about history of Microsoft Windows.
Thank you. Microsoft Windows was developed by Microsoft and was first released in 1985. At that time, Windows was created to help users to operate computers more easily. Over the years, many versions has been released, such as Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows 10. Today, Windows 11 is used by many users around the world. In the future, Windows will continue to improve its performance and security.
Okay, thank you. That was a good information for us to start talk about Microsoft Windows. Next, we're gonna talk about features of the Microsoft Windows itself.
Okay, so the Microsoft Windows is known for its graphical user interface. This interface is designed to make the system easy to understand. So, Windows support multitasking, and that's make a multiple application can be open at the same time. Many software application are designed specifically for Windows. Because of this feature, Windows is chosen by many users.
Okay, thank you. That was good information for us that Windows have features that help user to use it properly. Next, we're gonna talk about advantage and disadvantage of Microsoft Windows.
Microsoft Windows has several advantages. It is user-friendly and compatible with many devices. However, Windows is not always secure without regular updates. Some users do not like frequent system updates. Windows cannot run well on low specification computer. Therefore, it is not suitable for all users.
Okay, thank you. That was good know that Microsoft Windows have the disadvantage for the user beside the advantage itself. Then we're gonna enter the conclusion for this podcast today.
Okay, we have reached the conclusion of this podcast, and we have discussed about Windows, its features and history and advantages and disadvantages. And I want to share a little bit of my opinion about Microsoft Windows. I think Microsoft Windows is a best operating system for productive daily uses, and mostly about office work, video editing, and programming. I agree about Yoga's opinion about not everyone is agree about auto updates because I heard that a lot of people is very annoyed about the automatic updates because it force to shut down and restart on mid tasks and I found that very annoying. For the good side, I think Windows is I like Windows because of Windows is support by a lot of company and has a massive support around their application such as gaming like AAA games such as GTA 5, Forza Horizon and Black Myth Wukong. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you. For the okay, now we enter the end. We know that Microsoft Windows have many of the advantage for the user, but beside that, it have a disadvantage that make many user annoying about the Microsoft Windows itself. We're gonna end this podcast. So thank you for your attention and see you next time.